Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me again, Marites Vlog. For today's video, simpleng vlog lang po ito. And sana po yung magustuhan. Tara po, samahan niyo po ako at maghugas po ako ng mga pinggan na pinagkainan namin for today. Tara po, samahan niyo po ako.
Former television host and cabinet secretary Oscar Orbos is the new head of state-run People's Television Network. He will replace PTV General Manager Toby Nebrida. A congressional candidate asks the Supreme Court to clarify whether the Vice President's impeachment trial can be held from one Congress to the next. The question was raised after the Senate President proposed a post-election start for the trial. RG Cruz reports.
Ang aking hugasan.
No one from the Senate majority objected to Senate President
Simpleng vlog lang po ito.
impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte to begin July 30. The Senate chief believes it is actually impossible to literally start trial forthwith.
Dahil sa plante ng Manila, wala pa
Shout
naman
out po mga kalingap, mga kaibigan.
Naugnay sa ginagawa ng Senado sa ngayon. Sayang it consists of evidence.
Samahan niyo po ako maghugas ng pinggan.
Dahil ang impeachment ko. Bukas, hindi namin i-handle ito. Dahil wala pang sagot na
Ayan,
nasasagdan.
maghugas ako ng pinggan
Wala pang
guys.
reply ang President. Wala pang preliminary conference. Kaya sinasabi nila ilang prosecutors. Kung pwede lang daw, bukas lang daw.
Samahan niyo ako guys.
Mukhang hindi nila alam ang
Hugas na yung
The Senator also
pinggan.
welcomed the offer of Senator Norman Direct Leader Miguel III to help in the drafting of the revised impeachment rules. The Senate President, however, notes the proposed rules will still have to be approved by his colleagues. But some House lawmakers disagree with Escudero's claim that the Vice President's impeachment is not special enough to warrant a special session of Congress. They add every day of delay in the impeachment process
Yan
only
po,
benefits the Vice
like and
President.
share po ng
But that
aking
Senator
mga
Gerald
videos
Roman, meanwhile, sees politics
and
as
mga
news and for the week.
Maybe it was
na-upload.
ito lang